Now, last quarter, we launched Dynalite Cloud, a new connectivity service designed to help you support your end users with monitoring, service, and fine-tuning from a distance. With a quick update on all the features we released and some new insights, let's head upstairs and hear from Phil.
So thanks, Stephen, and welcome back to the cloud. This feature has been released, as Stephen said. It's out in the market, and CSIs and service providers across the world are picking this feature up and working out how to work with it to improve their service level performance to their customers. If you are part of that program already, thank you and welcome. If you're not, talk to your CSI manager and get on board today. Now let's have a look at what that program actually offers you. So here I'm logged into my account, Dynalite Cloud account, and I can see all the projects that we have registered for this account. Here I can see what is online, and here I can see which projects are licensed. Remember, the license is only required if you want remote connectivity. If you're using Dynalite Cloud for your project storage, that is all free. It's all part of your CSI account. So once you've got these projects here, which are saved from System Builder, here I've got my project, my Cloudy 2 project, my demo project. I can go into System, I can choose a device, and I can hit my sign on, make sure I'm connected. I can see in the bottom right that I'm connected. And I'm now in monitor mode. In monitor mode, I can look around the system, I can click on things. I'm not going to change the settings on the site. It just allows me to monitor the site. If I turn off monitor mode, I'm now in live mode, which means I can do firmware updates, I can do preset editing, I can do reconfiguration should I choose to do so. I can manage this project as if I was physically connected locally. So other features you've got here, if I go to this Antumbra, we've got the trigger button. This works locally, by the way, so if you are actually on site, you can use this function. If I use it here now, we go live. I can click on the buttons and it actually sends a message to the Antumbra to say your button's been pressed, and the Antumbra then runs whatever it's been programmed to do when that button is physically pressed. We've added a feature which means that you can now jump between pages and it will track between pages, and there will be future enhancements to this feature. So the cloud is for technicians, the cloud is for project managers, and for CSIs to manage their systems. You can promote that to your customers as a fast way to service, which improves your service level agreement performance KPIs with your customers. And there is going to be a multitude of new features we will be releasing in the near future. So watch this space, and I will see you in the next segment.